everyone. My name's Ahmed. Welcome to the conversation series. In these videos, I will be making conversation with you. I'll be asking you questions and giving you time to respond. If you need more time, just pause the video and keep talking. But I will try to make as many situations and as many questions as I can in order to allow you to practice your conversation. It's very expensive to hire a tutor to have conversations with, and so if it's expensive for you, you can use these videos for free in order to improve your conversation. I hope they help you. If you have any subjects you'd like to have a conversation about or topics you're interested in, please put them in the comments below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. I hope to see you soon. Bye.